Forecast weather of today, October 3, 2024. Typhoon Julian. International name Creighton. Affecting extreme northern Luzon. Easterlies affecting the eastern section of Mindanao. Typhoon Julian or Creighton, international name 2418, is located at 265 kilometers northwest of Itbayat, Batanes with 22.2 degrees north and 119.8 degrees east, with gustiness of up to 170 kilometers per hour, and the movement is northeastward slowly. For the places of Batanes and Babuyan Islands, the weather condition is cloudy skies with scattered rains and thunderstorms caused by Typhoon Julian, and there's a possibility for flash floods or landslides due to moderate at times heavy rain. For Ilocos Region, Cordillera Administrative Region, the rest of Cagayan Valley and Central Luzon, cloudy skies with scattered rains and thunderstorms caused by trough of Typhoon Julian, and there's a possibility for flash floods or landslides due to moderate to at times heavy rain. For Davao Region, Sorsogon and Caraga, cloudy skies with scattered rains and thunderstorms caused by easterlies, and there's a possibility for flash flood or landslides due to moderate to at times heavy rains. For Metro Manila and the rest of the country, partly cloudy to cloudy skies with isolated rain showers or thunderstorms caused by localized thunderstorms, and there's a possibility for flash floods or landslides during severe thunderstorms. For wind and coastal water conditions of the country, for northern Luzon, the speed of wind is strong and the direction is northeast to southwest, and the coastal water condition is rough from 2.8 to 4.0 meters. For central Luzon, the speed of wind is moderate to strong and the direction is from northwest, and the coastal water condition is moderate to rough with 2.1 to 3.0 meters. For the rest of the country, the speed of wind is light to moderate and the direction is east to northeast, and the coastal water condition is light to moderate from 0.6 to 2.5 meters. For Ormoc City weather, the temperature is 31 degrees Celsius. Ultraviolet index is moderate and the wind is 5 kilometers per hour, and the humidity is 75%. Humidity will make high and feels like 39 degrees Celsius. There's a possibility for rain today. Sunrise is at 5:30 this morning and it will set at 5:30 this afternoon. This weather information is from Pag-asa official website, issued at Science Garden in Diliman, Quezon City for Once Channel Daily Weather Report. This is Daniel Nazario, an intern of JFAP Construction, studied at AMA Computer Learning Center of Ormoc, saying, "Hugot bisda, kabalo ko nga dili man ka busy, dili lang jud ako imo priority." Charnes.